Well, I think technology is going to play a huge role and drive a lot of efficiencies, help businesses be more dynamic in what they're doing, but also enhance the services without having too much of an impact on social tenants.
That's a difficult one. I think technology will be one of the tools that housing managers use to achieve their objectives. It won't solve all the problems, but I think it's part of the toolbox. There's some real challenges in the social housing field at the moment around things like the 1% reduction in rent year on year that social landlords are having to impose, which will mean they'll have less money to spend moving forward, and so they've got to make some real savings over the next 5 years. And I think technology will play a big part in helping them achieve those things.
I see the future role of technology in housing as being completely intertwined. It'll be linked in the case of ownership and rental of properties with the Internet of Things, more sensors, more ways of monitoring if you've got any issues with your house. Then on the maintenance and management side of things, everything will become a lot more mobile working and everything will be done by apps and smartphones.
Massive. It's always evolving. We can always improve with technology. I mean, our company ourselves, MCP Environmental, are always looking for new innovative ways to use technology and with what we do.
Well, it's the same as anywhere else, really. It's supporting the business in terms of what the business wants to achieve, particularly around efficiencies, automation, cost savings.
I think it's probably Internet of Things and intelligent homes, intelligent sensors, so I can tell if somebody's got out of bed and made a brew that morning, or they've done normal things that they do. I think these things are becoming more and more mainstream, and I think social housing tenants will have all these things within the next 18 to 24 months.
I see the role of technology in housing as just making lives easier, simplify things. We often implement very complex IT projects and we make life difficult for ourselves. Let's simplify it, let's make it easier, let's reduce the need to train people with over complex systems, make them user intuitive, and actually get people so that they can concentrate on doing their day jobs rather than how to work an IT system. And that is what Advantage is all about.